Today we're going to remove an air layer from a lemon tree that we made a few months ago. You'll see that it's in perfect condition. In today's video, I'll show you how to know when it's ready, how to cut it correctly, and what to do afterwards so it becomes a healthy new fruit tree. The first thing we need to check is whether it has already developed roots that we can clearly see. As I showed you in the previous video, which I'll leave linked here, I explain how to create a small pot with a window so you can easily check if roots have formed or not. Soon on the channel, I'll upload a full video explaining the entire air layering process step by step. So if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments, because in that video I'll answer all the doubts you leave here. As you can see, we've already removed the air layer. This process is very simple. We just make a cut below, and the air layer comes off. We make the cut about 1 or 2 centimeters below where the pot is, and that's it. Another very important point is that our tools must be sterilized. Please make sure to sterilize them before cutting, otherwise we could spread diseases to the tree. Now we remove the pot, and here you can clearly see the roots. Look at how many roots it already has. This air layer has been growing for about 4 months. For personal reasons, I couldn't record earlier, so it stayed longer than planned, but in this case, that actually worked in our favor. Now what we're going to do is add some clay stones at the bottom of the pot to improve drainage, and then we'll add the substrate. Another piece of advice I want to give you is that during the first days, you should keep the plant in partial shade. Don't put it directly in the sun. Let it adapt for 2 or 3 weeks, and then slowly start exposing it to more sunlight. It's better to do this process gradually. This example is done with a lemon tree, but you can do exactly the same process with any citrus tree, mandarins, orange trees, lemons, limes, any type of citrus. Another important point is watering during the first weeks. Don't overwater it, but don't let it dry out completely either. Later in the video, I'll show you our magic potion that we use to help the tree recover its strength. Soon I'll also upload videos showing how to root a fig tree and how to transplant it properly, which I already have partially prepared. So subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And please leave a comment telling me if you've already done an air layer, if you're planning to do one, or which tree you want to try it on. Depending on the tree, the process can vary slightly, so keep that in mind. As you can see, here we already have our little tree. It's a bit yellowish right now. I'm not sure if it's because of the cold or because it had a lot of roots and little soil. Here we have water mixed with our secret potion, which is iron chelate. If you don't know how to prepare this mixture, leave me a comment and I'll explain exactly how we do it to water the plants and give them a boost. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. I'll leave you here with a full view of the tree and how it looks in its new spot. Looks great.